Welcome back. Today we are going to do life lesson 18, Secret of Happy Life. One day a monk was traveling through a village. He saw a bunch of workers working together and they are carving the stones. So the monk walks up to one person and one worker and asks, "What are you doing?" The worker angrily looks at the monk and says, "Don't you see that? Under that heat, I am breaking the stones and I'm tired of life. It is so hard and I'm working very hard and you're asking me, what am I doing?" The monk looks at the worker, smiles, and walks away. He goes to the second person and he asks the same question, "What are you doing here?" The worker looks at him and says, "You know what? Under this hot sun, I'm working to earn money. If I don't chisel the stone, food doesn't come home. I need to work hard. Don't disturb. Let me do my job." The monk, the monk smiles at the person and again walks away. He goes to the third person. And the third person, he says and asks the same question, "What are you doing here?" The worker smiles and responds, "Monk, I am building a temple." The monk asked, "Why are you smiling? Why are you happy?" He said, "I'm building a temple because in my village there is no temple. All the villagers go to far off villages to attend or to go for prayers into a temple. I am helping that cause. During festivities, we have to travel to other villages, and if we build this temple, we will have fair, we will have fun, we will have puja, we will have celebration, we will have ceremonies, and all of this will happen in my village. So I feel sometimes singing bhajan while I'm carving the stone. When I go home in the night and sleep, I dream about this temple getting built. When I come back the same morning, I feel happy to work for it. And I want to make this difference. I want to contribute in making this temple." The monk looks at him and he then again walks up and he keeps moving forward. And while he was moving forward, what he was thinking was how and what is secret of happy life. The secret is very simple. It is the difference which we have in our thoughts. There are some people who are wailing, crying, and always worried about life. And there are some people who assume work to be their life and they enjoy it as much as possible. With that, we come to the end of life lesson 18, Secret of Happy Life. Keep liking, keep subscribing, and keep watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye.